Everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix buffer video upload issues in 2026. If your video won't upload, gets stuck during processing, or shows an upload error, follow these steps to solve the problem. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process. If possible, switch to a faster and more reliable network before trying again. Next, make sure your video file is supported by Buffer. MP4 is the recommended format, so if your video is in another format like MOV or AVI, convert it to MP4 and try uploading it again. Also, check that your video file size and duration are within Buffer's supported limits. If you're using Buffer in a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then refresh the page. You should also update your browser to the latest version. If the issue continues, try using a different browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Disabling browser extensions like ad blockers can also help. If you're using the Buffer mobile app, update it to the latest version from your app store. Restart the app or reinstall it if necessary. Also, make sure your device has enough available storage space. Finally, check whether Buffer is experiencing a temporary service outage. If their servers are having issues, you'll need to wait until the service is restored. If none of these solutions work, contact Buffer support with details about the problem and include a screenshot of any error message. That's how you can fix Buffer video upload problems quickly and easily in 2026.